Good morning. Welcome back to Tucasa this morning. Up here with my buddies Matt and Brant from Heart and Soul in Albuquerque. So you heard about the Run for the Zoo, a great event you and your family can do to help out the zoo, but maybe you haven't been running recently, you want some help. That's where these guys in Heart and Soul can help you out. First thing you need a good pair of running shoes. So for folks who don't run a lot or don't know, what constitutes good running shoes, guys?
Well, I think the first thing they need to be aware of is that there's two different types of shoes. There's the shoes that are available in run specialty stores and the ones that are available in department stores. And there is a clear difference, and that's based in the design and the materials and the workmanship. The other thing is, every shoe is different. Every individual is different. So it's our job to try to match the runner up with the shoe. It depends on your training needs, it depends on biomechanics and a few other factors, previous injuries.
Okay. Brant, talk a little bit about what you guys brought here. Everything from, it looks like you got some Brooks, some Asics, some Pearl Zoomies. When someone comes into the store, I know a lot of times people buy shoes and they're like, these ones look cool, but it's not really what you do when folks come in there.
Right. We try and fit them with a shoe that's going to work best for them. And so this is a Nike Zoom Elite. It's just a nice neutral shoe. This is something that we'd maybe test people in the treadmill. It's not going to correct any motion. And so we're going to see what they do naturally. And then, if it looks good, we'll stay with something like that. They can go with the Nimbus, go with something lighter weight. This is a little bit more minimal, gives you that nice feel. Or, if they are pronating a lot, rolling in, maybe with some flatter feet, they need, a pronation post here to, stop that pronation. So this is a motion control shoe. It's a Brooks Beast. It's been a great shoe for us.
Okay, and we're going to talk about how people run in a minute. We're going to get on the treadmill and talk about how you guys test folks who come in to run. But let's talk about some of the other things people like to get when they run. Good socks. If you wear just plain old cotton athletic socks, really not the best for your feet.
Thank you for knowing that. Cotton blend in shirts and apparel or in socks, it holds moisture and it holds it against the skin. It's not as comfortable, they're not long lasting, and it does increase the blister risk. When you go with a synthetic sock, it pulls the moisture away and actually allows it to evaporate through the porous material in the shoes.
And basically they don't smell nearly as bad after you wear them.
Well, yes.
Sometimes, because I get that issue. Other things, hydration for folks who are running really long distances. You got this little gadget from Nathan here. I have some friends who wear these. You can carry some water with you, Brant.
Yeah, if you can't get a water fountain or somebody bike alongside you, you got to carry it, because in the summertime it does get hot. You're going to lose a lot of water, and that's going to hurt your performance.
Okay, you got some other stuff there, just some great gadgets from Garmin, headphones. I just started running in these compression socks. Do you guys think those really work? Are they good?
They're great for recovery. They're nice because they increase the blood flow back to the heart, and then they hold the calf in place, and so it's a nice tool.
Okay, folks, never been up to your store off of San Mateo, just north of Manal. You have a treadmill in there, and you talked about you get people to run a little bit. What kinds of things do you look for, especially for folks who don't know how they run?
Well, we're looking for, Matt, any kind of deflection from the heel strike to the forefoot toe off. We're looking to see, is the foot rolling in toward the medial side, which is inward, or rolling outside, which is lateral motion. From that, we can decide what level of stability a person might need, whether a neutral shoe fits them, and then we'll look at how thick the last might be. Okay,
just real quick, how does it look like I run? I think I'm neutral runner. I think.
Looks that way, yeah.
It does look that way.
Okay.
Always in the Hoka looks pretty good.
The Hoka that you're wearing really does help neutralize everybody.
Those are some shoes for people who like to run a lot of long distances. You want to find out more about Brant and Matt, Heart and Soul, go to our website, casa.com, click on the blog. I'm out of breath, so Chad and Brittany, it's now down to you.